Hey guys, this is Miss Sarah, and I wanted to do another quick experiment with you that we did in Wacky Science, and this was Mr. Brian Shadle's, I just have to say, all-time favorite one. Maybe not favorite, but it's really messy, and that's what makes it really fun. So we have a cup of cornstarch, and Judah is going to take the cup of cornstarch, she's going to pour it in some little container that you can use to get messy with. So go ahead and do that.
You.
All the way in, okay? And then we're gonna add a half a cup of water. I'm gonna pour it. Can you kind of mix that around, Judah, a little bit? Half a cup of water.
With our Santa?
With your Santa spatula, okay? And I'm gonna slowly pour in some water, and he's going to mix it up. Go ahead. And it's going to make something called Oobleck. So it's already starting to show you some of its properties, which is how it acts.
Can I just show them with this?
Oobleck is really interesting because it's fine. At times it acts like a solid, but then at other times it acts like a liquid. So it's really hard for him to pick up, but then again, it kind of melts in his fingers. So is it really a solid? Is it really a liquid? Well, it just kind of depends. If you want to be really fancy, you could always add some food coloring to your water, but it's kind of a fun mixture because it's messy, but yet it just takes a quick rinse in the sink to get it off your hands.
It
And
feels...
it's called Oobleck. What does it feel like, Judah?
It feels so... Like, when you get this stuff in your hand, when it's like a solid, like you want to grab it and like just make something with it, but you can't because
it melts in your fingers. Yeah.
It just melts in your fingers.
So it's crazy because temperature actually is what causes it to act a different way. So it'll cool, but then the warmth of your hand makes it turn kind of into like a liquid, basically.
Just gonna mix the stuff off the sides of in it.
And again, it's just cornstarch and water, and basically you can do 1 part cornstarch, well, okay, 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water would be fine. So I only had a cup of cornstarch because that's all I had in my pantry. So we did a cup of that, and then we did a half a cup of water, and he's just gonna play with that for a little while. So again, it's called Oobleck. It's kind of crazy, kind of fun. Again, it's all wacky science.